Welcome back, GlowFit family. Today is all about active recovery, a session designed to help your body heal, reduce soreness, and improve flexibility. If you've been following along with our workouts, your muscles have been working hard. Now, it's time to give them the care they need while staying active. To get the best results, place your device laptop, mobile, or tablet in front of you and follow along with us. This way, you can stay engaged, perform each move correctly. Complete your 30-day bodyweight challenge with confidence. Stay consistent, push yourself, and remember, watch this video till the end and repeat it as many times as needed to memorize the movements. Let's begin. Exercise 1, run in place. We're going to start with gentle movement to increase blood circulation and loosen up the muscles. How to do it. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Start jogging in place, lifting your knees slightly. Keep your arms moving naturally, like you would while running. Maintain a light and bouncy rhythm to avoid impact on your joints. Do this exercise for 30 seconds before moving on. Tip: stay light on your feet. Focus on breathing deeply to get oxygen flowing through your muscles. Exercise 2, dynamic plank. Time to activate your core while keeping it gentle. How to do it? Start in a high plank position, hands directly under shoulders. Lower your right elbow down to the mat, then your left elbow. Push back up to the starting position, leading with your right hand. Repeat the movement, alternating arms. Do this exercise for 20 seconds before moving on to the next movement. Tip: engage your core and keep your back straight to avoid lower back strain. Exercise 3, shoulder stretch. Let's loosen up the shoulders and upper back. How to do it? Extend your right arm across your chest. Use your left hand to gently pull your right arm closer. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch sides. Do this exercise for 30 seconds before moving on. Tip: relax your shoulders down while stretching to avoid tension in your neck. Exercise 4, child's pose. This will stretch your lower back, hips, and shoulders. How to do it. Sit back on your heels, knees slightly apart. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Take slow, deep breaths. Do this exercise for 20 seconds before moving on. Tip: if your hips feel tight, spread your knees wider for a deeper stretch. Exercise 5, Cobra Pose. A great stretch for your abs and spine. How to do it? Lie face down with your hands under your shoulders. Press into your hands to lift your chest. Keep your elbows slightly bent and shoulders relaxed. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Tip: if this feels too intense, stay on your forearms in a Sphinx pose. Exercise 6, standing knee fold. This helps improve balance and stretch the hips. How to do it? Stand tall and lift your right knee toward your chest. Hold your knee with both hands and gently pull it closer. Switch legs after 10 seconds. Do this exercise for 20 seconds before moving on. Tip: keep your standing legs slightly bent for better balance. Exercise 7, wrist stretch. Your wrists work hard in push-ups and planks, so let's give them some love. How to do it? Extend your right arm forward, palm facing up. Use your left hand to gently pull your fingers back. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch sides. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Tip: don't over-pull. Stretch gently to avoid strain. Exercise 8, cat-cow stretch. A spinal mobility exercise that feels amazing. How to do it? Start on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back, lifting your head, cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tucking your chin, cat pose. Continue moving with your breath. Do this exercise for 20 seconds before moving on. Tip: sync movement with breathing for maximum benefits. Exercise 9, downward dog pose. Great for stretching hamstrings, calves, and back. How to do it? From all fours, lift your hips up and back. Keep your heels pressing toward the floor. Hold the position and take deep breaths. Do this exercise for 30 seconds before moving on. Tip: if your hamstrings feel too tight, bend your knees slightly. Exercise 10, bow pose. A powerful chest and hip opener. How to do it? Lie on your stomach, bend your knees, and grab your ankles. Inhale, lift your chest and thighs off the ground. Hold the position while breathing deeply. Do this exercise for 20 seconds. Tip: if reaching your ankles is hard, use a strap for assistance. You did amazing today, GlowFit family. Active recovery is just as important as intense workouts because it keeps your body strong and injury-free. Rewatch this session whenever you need a deep stretch or gentle movement session. Stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next workout.